Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are great and I welcome you all in your maths class. Students, as you know, we are doing chapter number 4, multiplication, and we are doing exercise 4.6, word problem of multiplication. As I have already told you, to solve the word problem, story sum, statement sum, our first step. Yes, our first step is read the statement carefully, decide its operation, think about its statement and then solve it. Okay, and in the last class we had done the 6th question of exercise 4.6 and today we will discuss the 7th onward questions. Okay, some questions I will discuss with you and rest of the parts you have to do it yourself. Okay students, so let's start exercise 4.6 question number 7. Okay students, see the question number 7. 246 children of a school contributed rupees 25 each. Each means one student is contributed money rupees 25 for the sports day. Calculate the money collected in all. See, what is this? Yes, rupees 25 is contributed by one child. And how many students are going to contribute? 246. Okay, before doing this solution, let me ask one question. Suppose third class, the students of third class are going to organize a party and in your class 30 students are there. How many students are there? 30, and each child is going to contribute rupees 20 और हर बच्चे ने 20 रुपीज कंट्रीब्यूट किए हैं. तो टेल मी व्हाट इज द कलेक्टेड मनी, कि सब बच्चों ने कितने टोटल कितने पैसे कलेक्ट किए. सी द कलेक्शन बाय द वन चाइल्ड, एक बच्चे ने कितना किया 20 एंड हाउ मेनी टोटल स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर 30. इट मींस 20 will be added 30 times. It means this is a question of multiplication. So how can you get the result? 30 into 20. 0, 0, 3 2s are 6. So the class third has collected the money 600 rupees. In the same way we will do this question because the contribution by each child is rupees 25. Now what is the, and we have to find the contribution by the 246 children. Okay, the statement is clear to you. Okay, see the solution. Now what will we write? Statement. See what is this? Yes, money contributed by one child. How much? Yes, what is this? This is the contributed money by one child. Each means one. How much money? Yes, rupees 25. And how many children are there? 246. Now, money contributed by 246 children. Yes, we will get the result by the multiplication. So students, do the multiplication. 246 multiply by 25. Okay, so we will start the multiplication by the which digit? 5. 5 6 ja 30. So we will write 0 here and 3 carry over to the next place. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3 23. So I will write here 3 and 2 carry over to the next place. 5 2s are 10. 10 and 2, 12. Now I will multiply by the 2. Okay, and before that I will put cross under the 0. So 2 6 ja 12. I will write here 2 and 1 carry over to the next place. 2 4s are 8. 8 and 1, 9. Then 2 2s are 4. To get the result, we will add them. This is 0. 3 and 2, 5. 2 and 9, 11. Then 1 carry over to the next place. 1 and 1, 2. 2 and 4, 6. Then how much money collected by all? Yes, your answer is rupees 6,150. What is the total collection? Yes, total collection is rupees 6,150. Now see the question number 8. A packet contains 64 candles. In a one packet, the number of candles is 64. And how many candles are there in 79 such packets? So it's very clear. What is this? See, what is this? 64. 64 is number of candles in one packet. And we have to find number of candles in 79 packets. Value of one packet is given and we have to find the 79 packets. Okay, so this is the question of multiplication. So what will we write? Yes, number of candles in one packet. How many? 64. Now we have to find number of candles in, yes, 79 packets. How can we come to know? Yes, by multiplication. So we will multiply. Okay, 64 multiply by 79. First of all, we will multiply by 9. 9 4s are 36. We will write here 6 and 3 carry over to the next place. 9 6 are 54. 54 and 3. Yes, 57. Now we will multiply by 7. 7 4s are, yes, 7 4s are 28. And we will write here 8 and 2 carry over to the next place. 7 6 are 42. 42 and 2, 44. Yes, to get the result, we have to add them. There is only 6, 7 and 8, 15. 1 carry over to the next place. 1 and 5, 6. 6 and 4, 10. Then I will write here 0 and 1 carry over to the next. 1 and 4, 5. So students, how many candles are there in 79 packets? Yes, your answer is 5,056 candles. Okay, hope it is clear to you. Question number 12. Class 1 and class 2 of a school have 14 sections each. It means class 1 is having 14 section and class 2 is also having section 14. And or in simple way you can say that class 1 के भी 14 section है और class 2 के भी 14 section है. If there are 49 students in each section, it means in one section the number of students are 14 classes. It means what is the total number of the students in two classes, class 1 plus class 2. There are so many ways to solve the question. First of all, you can find the number of the students, total number of the students class 1. Then you can find the total number of the students class 2. And in the end, you can add and you will get the answer. And another thing, first of all, you can add the section of class 1 and class 2. You will get the total section of the class 1 and 2. And as it is written, there are 49 students in each section. In each section, it means in the one section the number of students 49. Then find the number of the students in 28 section, because the total section of class 1 and 2 are 28. It's up to you. You can do in any way. Okay. See. First of all, I will find the total number of section. Okay. Total number of section of class 1 and class 2. Yes, how many section? Total section 14 plus 14. Total sections are 28. Okay, now tell me number of students in one section. Yes, how many students are there in one section? 49. And we have to find number of students in how many sections? 28 sections. So that we can find the total number of the students of class 1 and 2. Okay, how can we get 49 multiplied by 28? 49 multiplied by 28. Yes, 8 9s are 72. I will write here 2 and 7 carry over to the next place. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 7. 32 plus 7. Yes, 39. Now I will multiply by digit 2. 2 9s are yes 18. I will write here 8 and 1 carry over to the next place. 2 4s are 8. 8 and 1 9. Okay. Now to get the result, I will add them. Only digit 2, 9 and 8. 9 and 8, 17. I will write here 7 and 1 carry over to the next place. 1 and 3, 4. 4 and 9, 13. So students, tell me what is the total strength of class 1 and 2? Total number of the students in class 1 and 2? Yes, 1372 students.
Okay students, I hope that how to solve word problem of multiplication is clear to everyone now. And students, now chapter number 4 has been completed. We will do only these exercise from chapter number 4, exercise 4.1, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5 and 4.6. And from 4.5 we will do only 2 questions, first and second, as we did only 4 properties of multiplication. And students, as you know, there will be a test on Thursday of exercise 4.1 and 4.3. So students, do practice side by side. Now it's homework time.